Okay, now that you've created your account, let's start a new mission. The first thing you'll notice is a Google map will load up, showing exactly where you are relative to the roof you're about to measure. Once the map loads, you can tap on the center of the roof, and you'll see the address populate. In the lower right corner, click Save. And yes, I'm ready to fly. Now the pre-flight checklist will run in the background. Green means go. The next pop-up asks you to acknowledge the FAA requirements for flying in the national airspace. And this pop-up instructs you to manually launch the drone with the joysticks and bring the crosshairs on the screen up to the height of the top of the gutter. Once you're satisfied with the location, click Begin Inspection. Click OK to acknowledge that the gutter elevation has been recorded. And now you'll notice that the app takes over for an automated flight. The drone will ascend to about 200 feet, go over the roof, point the camera down and take a single image. The drone will then return and hover at about 6 feet. At this point, you can take over with the joysticks and manually land the drone. You've now completed your first mission.